In a previous video, I likened trusts to businesses, but here's yet another way to visualize a trust, specifically a revocable living trust. Think of a revocable trust as a building, but not just any building. This type of building can become the legal owner of assets. For example, let's say that a building is the legal owner of all the furniture and electronics inside its walls. No person owns those things. The building does. Are you following? Good. But let's say the building can own more than just the objects found in a typical building. The building can own vehicles, bank accounts, stock accounts, insurance policies, businesses, and even other real estate. Once again, who owns all these assets? The building does. But what is a lifeless building going to do with all these assets? Nothing. It just owns them. But the caretaker of the building is allowed to use, spend, and invest those assets however he or she wants. This is what a revocable living trust is like. You are the grantor or trust maker of the trust, or the person who constructs the building. You are also the trustee of the trust, which is the caretaker of the building. You then put many of your assets inside the trust, but still have the authority to control them as you would otherwise. Everything about your life remains the same, aside from the title to many of your assets. Why would you bother with this setup? Because another feature about this building is that you can leave instructions inside that dictates what happens to all of its assets after you pass away. Those assets can be passed along to your family, to charities, or even to other buildings. And it's all done without probate, which would save your family lots of time and money after you pass. If you want to learn more about how a revocable living trust can fit into your family's plans, contact McClear Law Office for a free initial appointment today.